To make shots of Skittles vodka, separate your Skittles out by color. Add about 6 Skittles to each 25 milliliter, 0.85 ounce shot of vodka. Swirl the Skittles around in the glass until they're almost completely dissolved. Pour the mixture through a fine strainer to filter out any remaining Skittle pieces. Then enjoy your colorful, fruity Skittles shots. If you'd prefer to make a whole bottle of Skittles vodka, pour a little of the vodka out of the bottle to make room for the Skittles. Add about 20 to 25 Skittles per 350 milliliters, 11.8 ounces of vodka. Let the Skittles soak into the vodka for a day or two, and shake the bottle occasionally to help distribute the color and flavor more evenly. Strain the vodka through a filter, such as a coffee filter or cheesecloth, to remove any remaining pieces of Skittles. Refrigerate the vodka overnight before enjoying it cold.